Hey everybody, it's John Beck with John Christian Luxury, and I am thrilled to introduce you to a rare opportunity on High Rock Lake. This custom brick and stone gorgeous home is sitting on 4.46 acres with 100 feet of waterfront. You got to see it to believe it. Come inside and take a tour. Hope you enjoy. Can you imagine entertaining your family and friends in your new gorgeous open gourmet kitchen at the lake with custom high-end appliances and so much more? You got to check that box. So I'm telling you, this is the lake house that's been in your dreams. Paradise for a backyard, incredible screened-in porch, overlooking your pool and beautiful views of High Rock Lake. Doesn't get any better than this. You gotta check that box. Okay, so I know everyone wants an outdoor shower, right? Well, this backyard has it all. Fenced in, custom pool, custom stone fireplace, outdoor shower, and so much more. You really got to check that box. This unfinished walkout basement has over 2,000 square feet of potential. That means you can make this lake house your lake house. You got to check that box. You know, 4.46 acres at the lake, that's a ton of room. Even enough room to play a little target golf. You got to check that box. I hope you enjoyed your video tour. It is amazing, isn't it? If you're interested in obtaining more information, we would love to speak with you. So call me direct anytime and come experience luxury and purpose with us. You deserve it.